enterprise data management is the strategic practice of managing, integrating, and governing an organization's data assets. It's about ensuring that data is not just collected, but also accurate, secure, accessible, and ultimately valuable. Think of it as a backbone of a data-driven organizations. EDM involves creating robust systems for data quality, governance, and seamless integrations across all departments. This allows businesses to make informed decisions. Reliable data leads to better insights and strategic choices. Comply with regulations. Proper data management help organizations meet legal and industry requirements. Maintain a competitive edge. Effective data utilizations is a key differentiator in today's market. Methodology for studying enterprise data management (EDM) in this context. Focus on existing literature, real-world implementations. The study relies on analyzing already published academic literature and documented practical applications of EDM. This means gathering information from sources like research paper, industry reports, and case study of organizations that have implemented EDM strategies.
To our results, from our analysis, there are three key themes emerge. First, the importance of data governance. Effective EDM frameworks prioritize governance to ensure data accuracy, security, and compliance, which are essential for building trust and maintaining efficiency. Second, technology integration plays a vital role in EDM. Cloud-based solutions and advanced analytics tools make data more accessible and scalable for organizations. These tools simplify complex processes and enhance decision making. Lastly, we identified challenges that organizations commonly face. These include a lack of employee training, resistance to change, and data silos. Overcoming these obstacles is crucial for the successful implementation of ADM frameworks. To our discussions, these findings underline the strategic importance of EDM in improving organization efficiency and decision making. Aligning data management strategies with business objectives is crucial to achieving long-term benefits. The adoption of technologies like AI and cloud platforms has transformed how business handle data. However, for organizations to fully capitalize on this advancement, they must address existing challenges such as breaking down data silos and managing change resistance effectively. Incorporating best practices for data governance and promoting employee training are also essential steps to ensure successful EDM implementations. With these strategies, organizations can maximize their data as a strategic asset. To our conclusion, our research demonstrates the value of analyzing secondary data to understand enterprises' data management principles and practices. By studying documented case studies and literature, organizations can gain actionable insights without requiring primary data collections methods. That's all. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope this discussion has provided you with the valuable insights into the importance of EDM and how it can be effectively implemented. Thank you and have a great day.